How to use Grok AI for stock market research. This tutorial shows you how to get useful financial insights out of Grok in just a few steps. First, open the Grok app on your device and sign into your account. From there, tap the text field at the bottom and type in whatever stock or market topic you want to research. For example, you could ask something like, what is the current outlook for Apple stock? Or what are analysts saying about the S&P 500 this week? And Grok will pull together a response using real-time data. After that, if you want Grok to go deeper on a topic, tap Deep Search in the text bar before sending your message. This tells Grok to search the web and pull in more detailed information before giving you an answer, which is especially useful for market news or earnings reports. From there, if you're analyzing something complex, like comparing two stocks or understanding a financial report, tap Think Mode so Grok works through the reasoning more carefully before responding. Following this, you can also upload a screenshot of a chart or a financial document by tapping the plus icon in the text bar, and Grok will analyze it and break it down for you. Finally, if you want to keep track of a research thread, your conversations are saved automatically, so you can come back to them at any time from your chat history. Keep in mind that Grok is not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That's how you use Grok AI for stock market research. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.